steps down, the day is done. Our busy playtime now is run. We cuddle close, turn off the light, and say goodnight to stars so bright. Bedtime sweet, happy feet, dreaming dreams can't be beat. Soft pajamas, warm and snug, a gentle story and a hug. Our eyelids droop, we start to yawn, until we wake to brand new dawn. In sleepy land where thoughts can roam, we build a castle or find a gnome. Perhaps a dragon big and green, or flying high, a wondrous scene. Bedtime sweet, happy feet, dreaming dreams can't be beat. So close your eyes, drift off to sleep, let quiet slumber gently creep. For when you wake, refreshed and new, amazing adventures wait for you.